Okay, so we're gonna unbox Shusui. So this is one of Zoro sword and Owazamono. This is part of Owazamono on the series. It's already been stated that you can turn black your blade. So this is the highest level this blade can go. Owazamono, the great sword. It will not get on that because it's already been black by Ryuma. And yeah, so this is the unboxed sword. And you know what, let's see this one. Okay, 104 cinch. And Zoro get this sword on Thriller Bark. And yeah, so compared to Wado Ichimonji can get to the great sword. It's not turned black yet compared to Shusui that already been maxed out stats. Like we know on One Piece story that you can upgrade your sword to the highest level, I guess. So yeah, so it's already maxed out the Shusui sword. It can stand the great sword clash like Yoru sword on Mihawk. It can stand that slash anyway. And below that, it can shatter your sword easily. And yeah, so yeah, definitely recommend you should have this on your collection or cosplay. I'm gonna put the link for this one. Yeah, very nice design anyway. You see this? Yeah. Yep, so I think this is my top 3, my top 4, I guess. I think my favorite one is Wado Ichimonji, Enma, and yeah, I think Amino Habakiri. Maybe in the future we're gonna get the Shodai Kitetsu, the first Kitetsu sword. Maybe I'm gonna get that one too. And yeah, see you in the next video, and like and subscribe.